This is wild! Guys, MiniMax just dropped H3, a multimodal video model mixing text, images, video, and audio. Let's dive in! So this new Model H3 can understand and generate across multiple formats, while Omni Reference lets you combine videos, images, audio, and text inside one prompt. You can even pin exact files with @ for tighter control. MiniMax High-Law AI claims cinematic quality, precision editing, and commercial-grade results. But can it actually beat Seedance 2.5? Let's test it. First, let's test a social media ad using Omni Reference. Create a trendy commercial for Vortex sunglasses with ultra-fast cinematic cuts, extreme camera motion, unusual angles, glitches, motion blur, vintage grain, animated text, flash transitions, speed ramps, match cuts, whip pans, clone trails, echo effects, hyper zooms, parallax, morphing, handheld shake, drone shots, image stretching, product explosions, collage effects, inverted colors, and intense sound design. Next, we're creating an epic intro for our upcoming retro FPS Riftfall. A superhero space marine joins the squad, each character gets a dramatic introduction, then they battle inferno monsters and giant tripods. No text until the animated Riftfall logo at the end. Here's the result. Try the Riftfall demo on Steam if you like what you see. We can also try it in the cartoon animation style. Take a look. This time using start and end frame instead of Omni Reference. Next, we're creating a viral music video for Vortex of Love using a song I made with Suno. Next, we make a slow motion. Create a classic cinematic slow motion shot with active camera movement. A woman plays golf and does a powerful swing. At the moment of impact, time freezes into super slow motion while the camera keeps rotating around her. The golf ball flies straight toward the camera in dramatic perspective. And we try again with a fat Roman. Create the same classic slow motion scene with the classic fat man Roman and his burgers falling down. Keep the active rotating camera, the frozen time effect, and the objects flying toward the camera for a dramatic viral look. And I guess you want to compare it to Seedance too? Let's do a side-by-side comparison of Roman working during his vacation and dropping his laptop into the pool.
No! Not my files! Now I have to recover them!
How about a story based on character reference sheets? Take a look, we are going to create an action scene canyon chase based on GPT Image 2 reference sheet. And here is the classic female influencer doing a real estate tour showcase, but this time of the most dangerous man hideout. Take a look.
This is where the most dangerous man in the city hides from everyone. And there he is. Bon appetit, boss.
So, will MiniMax H3 beat Seedance 2.5 and the new FLUX 3 or fall behind the competition? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more AI battles.